Good morning student. I Purnima welcome you all to my English class. And student, today I am going to teach you, in fact I have already taught you, I am going to revise the noun. And in noun I am going to revise noun, the noun, number. Okay, so first of all children, before asking what is a number in noun, before explaining you what is a number in noun, I should tell you what is a noun. So noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal and thing. Now children, noun is a very vast study. Like we have a kinds of noun, common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, material noun. Okay, at the same time children, we have genders in noun. Okay, like masculine gender, feminine gender. Then we have got plurals, then we have got the noun, number. So today we are going to study about noun, the number. Now children, there are two types of number in noun. So in noun we are having two types of number. One is singular number and the other is plural number. Okay, one is singular, the other is plural. So we are having two numbers in noun. One is singular and the other is plural. Okay, when we mention one thing, a single thing is mentioned, then that is in will come in singular number. When one more than one thing is there, then it will be in plural number. Okay, so and children, even the verbs change with the numbers. The verb also change. Like there is a man standing there, but there are any and men standing there. So you can see there is a change of verb when the number changes. In fact, the whole sentence structure change when they say change in the number of the noun. Okay. And children, one few more thing is there, like the article a and an is used before singular number. So this is also an important point. Children, the verb changes and the articles a and an is used before a singular number. Okay, and b is used then. Then children, there are many ways to form the plurals. Children, first of all, when there is a singular noun, we put s with that singular noun and then it become plural. Like you can say girl, girls. Okay, so let's see children, singular and plural. So tree, it will become trees. Girls, girl, that means one girl, girls. Boy, boys. Okay, goat, single goat, goats. So children, in first rule is there, when we put s with the singular number, then it becomes plural. Like book, books. Plate, plates. Okay, now children, there are many types of there are many rules are there in making singular and plural. All right, so second rule is there, when the last letter in noun in singular number, when it ends with y, when the last letter of any singular noun, when it ends with y, then children, while changing it into plural, it become ies. Okay, it become ies. Like I am writing, children, Like children, you can say army. So it will become armies. IES is there. So if a singular, sometime when a singular number and with Y, it become IES. It become plural. IES. Baby. Babies. Okay, baby. It will become babies. Then story. It will become stories. Okay, it will become stories. Then cry. 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 Cries. Okay, cry will become cries. Sometime Y will come at the end of the word and then we only have to add S. Sometime Y will come at the end of the word and we only have to add S. It is not that we always have to add IES. We have to add, in some of the words we have to add S only, like toy, toys. Okay, so you can see we have added only S. Then boy, boys. Okay, boy, boys. Stories. So you can see this is also children, it is the last word is Y, but here we are adding only with S. Okay, toy, toys, boy, boys, and then children, story, story will become story. Then some of the words are there where the last word is O. Okay, then while changing it into plural we have to SES. Like there are many words where the last word is ending with O. Like tomato. You can see TOMATO is tomato and it will be end with tomatoes. The plural will be tomatoes. Okay, then buffalo. Tomatoes. Buffalo will, the plural of buffalo will be buffaloes. Then mango. The plural of mango will become mangoes. Okay, so you can see how the plurals are formed if the words end with O. Then children, sometime children we are having O, sometime we are having O or double O. Then the plural will become after adding S to it. Okay, like these are the words, like bamboo. Here two O is there. It will become bamboos. Not S, not ES, but S will be there. Photo. Photos will become photos. Okay, so you can see bamboo will become bamboos. Okay, we will add the photo will become photos, right? Then piano. It will become pianos. So you can see children. Okay, so you can see these are the words which is ending with O or double O, and we have to add S here. Then children, some of the words are there which ends with O, okay, but sometimes we while making turning it into plural, we add either S or ES, okay, both the things are added, like in buffalo. Okay, children, both the spellings are correct. It can be buffalo and it can be buffaloes. Okay, so both the spellings are correct. Volcano, so it can be volcano or volcanoes. This is also correct and this is also correct. So mosquito, so it can be mosquitoes or mosquitoes, both are correct. Okay, then we have one more word, commando. Commandos or commandos, both are correct. So you can see some of the spellings of some of the words are there which is ending with O, so we can put both O and we can put both ES, like commandos, buffaloes, mosquitoes, volcanoes. Okay, now children, some of the words are ending with double S or double S. Okay, so we have to put ES. Some of the word is ending with CH, again we have to put ES. Some of the word is ending with ES, okay, X, so again we have to put ES. So some of the words, some of the nouns children which have in the last double S or CH or SH or X, so we have to write the plural with, we have to make plural with ES. So like for example, glass. So here the word glass we are having double S, so we have to put ES at the end. Glass, double S is there, so it can be glasses. Okay, so what will be the spelling? Glasses. Some of the word they are ending with CH, so again we have to put ES, like branch, branches. So here you can see it is ending with CH, so we have to put ES here. Okay, then some of the words are ending with S, again we have to put ES, like box, it is ending with X, okay, so we have to put ES. Then fox, foxes. Okay, so you can see here children the word is ending with double S, so I put ES while making into plural. Then if the word is ending with CH, then again we have to write ES at the end while making it into plural. Then X, the word which is in singular where we have X at the end, we have to put ES while making it from singular to plural. And then children, some of the words again if they ends with SH, like bush, again we have to add bus h es. So you can see es is ending. If the word is ending here with double s, ch, x and sh, ch, double s and x. Okay, so these are some of the terms and conditions are there how to change into plural. Okay, then children, some of the nouns which are having, which ends with f or ef. Okay, which ends with f or ef, like knife, wife, leaf. So while turning it into plural, we have to put ves. Okay, like you can see here, knife. Knife, when see the sound here is, what is the sound here? F. Okay, the sound here is F, and it will change into knives. VES is there. Then wife. Then it will be changed into wives. Okay, so you can see. Then leaf. Again the sound is F here. So LEAVES. Alright. Now children, some of the plural are there, like oxes. Oxes is there, but oxes is not changed into ox, is not changed into oxes. Ox is changed into oxes. Oxen. Ox is there, it changed into oxen. And child is there, it changed into children. So these are the important one. Ox is changed into oxen, and child is changed into children. Okay, child will not change into childs, it will change into children. Some of the words are there, okay, which the sound is f, but children we use only f, we use only s, okay, while changing it into plural. I mean to say children, some of the words are there where the last word is ending with f. So here es is not there, we only put s, like roof will change into roofs. Proof will change into proofs. Okay, chiefs. So you can see some of the here the last word is s, but it is not. Here it is ending with, the plural will be ending with s. But children, some of the words are there which is having f, but it has both the word, like hoof. Hoof is there, which ends with hoofs also, we put s also, and we put es also. Similarly, handkerchief. Handkerchiefs also, okay, and handkerchief, both are the plural here, like handkerchief. So handkerchiefs, okay, and it can be handkerchief, it can be handkerchief. Okay, then scarf. Scarf can be scarf also, and scarves also. Both s and es is here. Scarf, scarf is singular. Scarves, it can be scarves also, scarfs, and scarves, scarfes. Okay, both can be, plural can be in both the way. So now you can see children how some words were ending with f, okay, and it is changed either by adding s or es. Now some important words, very important words, how it changed into plural, I am going to tell you. Now children, this is very important. Some of the vowels are there which is inside, which is internal, and children, and that vowels, internal vowels, change in some other internal vowels, like foot, see. There are two internal vowels here, okay, it will change into feet. So two internal vowels are here also. Foot will change into feet, man. One internal is here A, and then children one internal vowel is here E. So man, you can see A is the internal vowel here, and men, the E again is the internal vowel here. So man will turn into plural by adding E to A. Men. Food will become feet. Okay, similarly woman, internal vowel A will change into women, men. Alright, then tooth, it will change into teeth. Okay, tooth will change into teeth. Then goose, goose will change into geese. G double E double O will change into double E. Goose will change into geese. Mouse, mouse will change into mice. So you can see some of the how children the here in this is very important, and many people get confused children. So here you can see how the internal vowel is changed. Okay, then children some of the nouns are there where we have zero plural. That means what is a zero plural? Zero plural is that where the singular and plural are the same. So that is known as zero plural. So you can see children, some of the words are there where we have zero plural, like both singular and plural are same. Deer will be remain as deer, both in singular and plural will be one. Then sheep, sheep will be sheep only. Moose, moose will be moose only. Okay, then carp, carp will become carp only. So this is known as zero plural, where singular and plural are the same. But children, in some of the case both zero plural is used, like children, in the case of fish, if suppose if only goldfish are there in the aquarium, okay, like only one species, there are many type of fishes there, but it belongs to only one species, then it will become fish. But like in the river we have got many species of fish are there, so then we will call it fishes. Similarly reindeers, antelope. Okay, so when in fish, if one varieties of fish is there in the aquarium, okay, many fish are there, but if one variety of fish is there, so what we will say? We will say we will say fish. But if many types of fishes are there in the river, so we will say fishes. Okay, then children, there are many nouns which are singular and plural both are used like that, like pair. Okay, pair singular is also used as pair and plural is also used as pair, like pair, singular and plural are same. Turn, turns. Okay, so both are same. Dozen. Okay, dozen. So plural and singular are same. Then million or billion, 100, 100, million, million. Okay, now four pair of shoes. We say four pair of shoes or a pair of shoes. So you can see with a pair also we are using, with a also we are using pair here, with four also we are using pair here. So here pair is both used as singular or million. Millions of coins, both are the same. Okay, Now children, some of the plural we form. Okay, where sometimes children, when the meaning is the, like children, like in clothes we add clothes. Okay, so this is also important, which I will be discussing with you. Children, then there are many words where we put as. If you like, here you can see brother-in-law. It will be it will become brothers in law. So here we are putting s. Sister-in-law, sisters-in-law. Okay, so you can see we are putting s with the first word. Mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. Okay, then passer-by. So it will become passers by. Okay, commander-in-chief. It will become commanders in chief. Okay, commander will become commanders. Okay, commander will become commanders. Okay, so you can see. Then there are children, several words are there where here children, you can see in this word I am putting s in the first word, brothers, sisters, passers, commanders. But then there are many words where we put s in the at the last. Like you can see, I am writing some of the words here now. Like step mother, it will become step mothers. Steps, it will become so in here in the last with second word we are using s. Okay, maid servant, maid servants, maid servants. Okay, so you can see assistant director. So it will change into assistant directors. Okay, so in this words you can see children, what you can see, the here s is added at the last in the with the second word. Sometimes children, when in the singular number, when the word ended with us, like focus, the word is ending here with us. So children, we add es or I to the word, like focus. It will become focuses or foci. Okay, this is a bit different. Okay, so both are correct. Okay, similarly, nucleus. So you can see nucleus will become nucleuses or nuclei. Then radius. So you can see some of the word which is ending with us. Okay, so both we can add es also and e also. Syllabus. Okay, syllabus. So it is syllabuses and syllabi. All right. Then some of the children words are there like algae. It become algae, algae, alga. Okay, alga. It become lagae. Alga, algae. Larva, larvae. Larva is larva, and we while writing plural it become larvae. Okay. So you can see children, formula is there. It can become formulas or formulae. Okay. So many changes are there. We have to learn that thing. So with this children, I end my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.